Oh my god. Bro, what? And of course I used Pistol Pete's on it, so it's not all gonna stay on. No. I gotta move my dad's car. Ah, I gotta get a hold of Barry. What is going on? Alright, so that was an amazing start to a vlog. I gotta let the dogs outside. I wanna see what their reaction to snow is. But it's cold outside. Ninja's like, what the hell's this? Worm's like, what? Actually, no. No, stay outside. Hey, guys, look. Come here. Dude, I can actually pick up snow. Look, guys. Look. Worm. Look, guys. You don't like it? Yeah. This is what happens when you're, kind of flush. So, yeah. So I really think Ninja wants to go back outside. I took him out in the front yard. This one was trying to run away. What's that, huh? Huh? What's that? I'm just out here trying to take photos and shit. Don't you dare. Hey! That was close.
It's cold.
It's really fucking cold. It's really freaking cold. Does anyone know what song I'm sort of referencing? But yeah, guys, it's cold, it's dirty. I tried to find gloves for us at the house because I know at one point we had a shit ton. Now I just can't find them anyway. Anyway, Barry's gonna park right here. We're gonna take photos, and then we're probably gonna go back to his house, and yeah. So, it's fucking cold, guys. It's really cold. Like, my feet are freezing, my hands are cold. Everywhere else is warm. I'm wearing the K-Series hoodie and my dad's leather jacket, so yeah, it's cold.
It's gonna be me.
I'm so glad I got that on video. Anyway, our cars are already snowed in. It's cold. We were talking to both the neighbors, the one with the red truck and John, and what'd you do?
Throw a snowball at your face.
At my face, yeah. Got my glasses, got the camera, got the inside of my hoodie. It's cold, we can't see. Hello, what year is it? Damn, it's really going down. The Subaru's got a hat. Hell yeah. It's been a while since we've been in the Jeep. So, now we're just waiting for Barry, and we're gonna go run some errands, and then we'll be right back. We had a little bit too much fun.
Yeah, well, too aggressive, blew the radiator, you know, bullshit.
Oh, you know, overheating issues, blown radiator. Oh well, send it.
You having fun, boy?
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah. This is what happens when us desert boys get snow in Arizona here.
No! Stay there. I'll fix it. Hey, what's up, dude? Straight the snowman out here.
We're reviving snowmen.
Gotta give it a nice strong base. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've never made a snowman in my fucking life. So, this is attempt number 1. What?
Oh,
No problem
nothing.
with my snowman?
Looks like a mountain man.
Okay. Welcome to Barry's Garage, where we're supposed to be building stuff for our cars. Meanwhile, we're building snowmen for our hearts. On the subject of building something for our hearts, we're both single. Isn't that right? We're single.
Yeah.
Hit us up.
Single as a Pringle.
Single as a Pringle. Imagine waking up to this motherfucker, bro. This motherfucker looks like it's about to haunt you in your dreams. Sound good. No! So this is Barry's, you know, GG boys.
Snow down.
Snow down, bro. You're going too fast. So after our fun adventure with the Jeep, there's no snow on the Jeep.
There's
Except
also
for,
no antifreeze in it either.
yeah, there's no antifreeze. That was a bad day.
The antisneeze went away.
Anyway, we discovered a new spider. If you guys are spider nerds and know your spiders, let me know if there's a snow spider because there's snow on that spider.
We're just out here. We're claiming parking spots with our tracks.
Yeah, big
If
ass
we leave a
tires.
track, it's ours.
That's how this works nowadays, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, sir.
Especially in Tucson.
Oh, yeah.
Nobody can park on those spots
It's
until.
like Monopoly.
Yeah. If you park in those spots, you have to pay us a fine because we claimed them. What the fuck are you doing?
That's not me, bro.
That is bullshit. Get over.
That was straight snow.
Liar.
I-
Damn, look at that white Kia that did coke.
So, yesterday marked the day that unfortunality happened. I have good suspicion that it is blown. Not bad, obviously. If it's blown, it's not bad. I'm really hoping to God that it's just a little bit of water is making it run like shit and knock a little bit, and once it dries out, it'll be fine. That's my hopes. But as of right now, I have no idea. As you can clearly tell, it's not dry air. It's clearly really fucking moist. So yeah, it's an update. We have 3 cars of sub-level down right now. Mine, Brandon's dad's, and then Anthony's. I'm not going to go into detail about what happened with Brandon's dad, but keep all of us in your hopes, I guess, of not losing our shit anytime soon. Yeah, so that's an update.
Random guys just said Hank's Prelude is sick as hell. Hell yeah, Hank. Later, bro.
We stole Anthony's truck and his Switch.
No copyright strikes up in this motherfucker.
What's a copyright? We're talking loud enough you can't hear what's going on the Switch.
Well, you can play the game. You can't.
Yeah.
Which button's why? I've never played a Switch. Jump. No, I pressed the wrong button. All right, boys. This makes no sense. All right, Lonzo Ball, boys. Oh, get that steal. Oh, you. Kyrie Irving ain't got shit on Lonzo. Get that rebound. Get that rebound. Oh, that's a fucking foul. Julius Randle, why do you like this, bro? Guys, if y'all can't tell, I'm a Lakers fan.
Really?
No.
Wow.
Lopez, get that rebound. Okay, but figure out how to do this. All right, P's to pass. All right. What's up, dude?
What's up?
Tell you guys have yours.
When I said my side skirts were red, I meant it. So Mercy's being a bitch. Mercy's being a really big bitch.
Yeah.
Side skirts don't want to come off, so that's cool. In other news, I asked the one and only Ryan Maynard to come over to try to fix my exhaust issue. It's held on by fucking zip ties. Hell yeah, brother. A certain someone's been doing quite a few burnouts.
No. You? No.
I would never do such a thing.
Brown?
It might be from when we accidentally all 3 took off at that one signal light, totally not street racing in Mexico.
What's a signal light?
I don't know.
Clean window.
Oh fuck! I'm sorry.
Damn, this thing's clean. What's up, boy?
How's it going, brother? How you doing?
Not bad. Well, not great, but yeah, clearly. But yeah, dude, thing's beautiful.
Not great.
Yeah, not great, but you know, I'm not letting it kill my vibe.
Go get the B-Twin B-Sin.
Ooh. Might have to blur that part out so no one hears it. God damn, she looking flush. Later, boy.
Alright, side skirts are sanded down and dried off. Now it's time to paint, let them sit, and then from there, we don't know what we're going to do while we wait. They dried pretty fast, but yeah, they're looking good. Oof. No blood butter for the turkey, let's go! Good morning, YouTube. Why are you typing if I'm right here, my guy? We're putting the blades back on. There's another one of those boys off. Oof. So as y'all know, yesterday we took off the wrap on the side skirts and painted the side skirts black. I dig it a lot more because it matches the lip, but oof, it looks so good. Jose, Brett. Oh,
And then, yo, down in second now. Yeah, what about you?
Building engines.
Oh,
Love
good.
I love it. It works because it's an OEM fucking
Maggie is officially okay again. It's, yeah, I'm glad. Thanks to all the boys helping me out, and got to chill with these two for the night. Wow. Nathaniel, thank you. Yeah. So she's up, she's official. I'll be driving her tomorrow. That was, my car's on fire. Yay.